through the mountain, and he streaked across the plains. But I wound up in trouble like a prisoner to a ball and chain. Well, I told my girl this morning, told her as I cried, that she should leave, how I would grieve, how I might even die. Well, she said, dear boy, I'm sorry, that's all your last words. You know you're lying and you've not got much time left here on earth. Looking down the railroad, 10,000 mile of track, wondering if my baby will ever come back. Well, I begged her not to leave me, but my pleas were all in vain. Now I'm just a lonely boy waiting on a train. Well, the train winds through the mountain and he streaks across the plains, but I wound up in trouble like a prisoner to a ball and chain.